Hello students, today I'll show you how to convert the images of your book into a PDF from Bharat Cam Scanner. So follow the steps as I'm showing you. So the first step is to install the Bharat Cam Scanner from the Play Store. Just type Bharat Cam Scanner in the search box of your Play Store.
चाची कुछ करो मत चाची मत
Maybe the internet is not connected, so first connect your Wi-Fi or mobile internet, whichever is in your phone. Okay, now you may get variety of options, but you have to select this option Bharat Scanner Cam Scanner. So click on install or press install button. It will automatically install, it will automatically download, and after that it will install. Okay, then after that you need to open that app. Yes, it will look like this. Okay, no document scanned yet because we have not scanned any of the document till now. So we will proceed from now. This is the important step, how we will scan the document. So you need to understand how we will scan the book images into a PDF. So let's start. So this is how the app will look, Bharat Scanner. No document scanned yet because there is no document scanned here. So first we will scan this page. You have to see the written page is like this and the app is this way. Now I will scan this and this page. So observe carefully what all things I am doing and do accordingly in your phone. This is the camera which you will see. So first click on it, allow. It will show that allow Bharat Scanner to access photo media files on your device. You have to allow this, else the app will not start, because if you will allow photo media, then only you will be able to capture these images and then you can convert those in PDF. So allow it. Okay, the app has now started. Okay, this is how the page will look. So I will adjust it accordingly so that everything is being covered in this frame. You can see how this frame looks. You have to, okay, now we will click done. Okay, the image is done. So we will click here to see the image has been scanned properly or not. Okay, click on this blue button, that is a tick mark here. I will click on it. Okay, now you can see this image carefully. Okay, this is showing like a crop option has been shown here. I will crop this image so that I can get the perspective of the image which I want. Means the page or the content which I want, I will crop it accordingly. Just these three dots are being displayed over here. I will crop it so that I can get only the content. Crop it accordingly, just like how you crop your images. This is a very simple step. You can, and anyone can crop it. Okay, crop it carefully so that every words written by you should come in it. The frame should include only the book of your, the image should include only the book or the content written by you. Okay, now I am done. So I'll click on next because I am done cropping this image. Okay, it is showing, please wait. Okay, done. This is how it will look. The crop image will look this way. I will save it. Okay, I will save it. This image is being saved in it. Okay, now see, the image has been stored here. Now I can add more images in it. Okay, this is the next page which I am going to scan. The same process will be followed here. I will first click the image of the page. You can click anywhere how you want, because at the end we will crop this image and will keep the content in the frame. So I will press the done button. Okay, the image has been captured over here. Now the final result we will be able to see, but first of all you need to press on this tick mark button which is being shown in blue color. Okay, this is how the image will look. Your scanned image will look. So now what you need to do is you need to crop this image. So carefully adjust these three buttons, these three dots or buttons, whatever it is being called, and just adjust it according to the frame so that the content is not being hidden. You need to include the content, because the content is important. If any content goes, you may lose marks, because how teachers can correct the answer if the content is only half. So you need to properly adjust these dots according to the frame of your book and this. Okay, I'm trying to include every words of this, because it is not possible to include everything, but you have to adjust these pixels accordingly, and then you have to crop the image so that any words are not missing. Now click on the next button, because the image has been cropped. See, every words have been included in it. Crop accordingly so that every words gets included. Now click on save button. Okay, this way the images will get included in this section. Okay, this way you can add more images in it. Just like again I'm showing you this page, I want to scan this page again. So again I will adjust my camera this way so that the whole content gets included, or the book gets included in it, nothing gets. Okay, done. This is how the image will look, but don't click on this, because until you don't click on the blue button, till you don't click on this blue tick mark, you will not be able to see the final result. So click on it. Okay, done here. Now this cropping part is the crucial. It plays a crucial role in this PDF scanning process. So these 3 pixels which are being shown, you need to adjust them according to the content so that the content doesn't get hidden. Okay, no, content should not get hidden, so that you should include it according to the page size of the book, and the frame should include every content in it. Okay, I'm adjusting the pixels accordingly so that every content of the book is being included. See here, you can even resize this according to the page of the book. So this is the thing it has. Okay, I have adjusted the pixel. Now it's ready. I'll click on next button to see the final result. Okay, this is how the final result is being shown of the cam scanner, means the image which I have scanned from the book. So see, you need to carefully take the image, and after that you need to crop that image to get the final clear result. You need to include every word. While cropping the image, you need to include every aspect, you need to understand every aspect, so that every word or written by you should not get hidden. Okay, save it. Okay, this is how it will look. This is the assignment or the pages which you have scanned. Now you can see your PDF option is written. Okay, your PDF option is written. After that, next to it, this 3 dots means it's a share button. So click on it, share PDF. There's an option share as, share image, share PDF. Don't share image but share PDF, because it will automatically combine these images into a PDF. If you will share image, it will a separate image will be sent to the contact which you are sending. So share PDF, so that the combined images of these 3 images will get compressed into a PDF, and then it will get sent to whatever contact number which you want to send. So share PDF. Okay, now if you want to send this via WhatsApp or Gmail, whichever is the comfortable option which you feel, but here you need to send via WhatsApp. So click on WhatsApp. Now whichever contact number you need to send, just like here I need to send this PDF to Shaista Mapari, so I will click on that contact number and I will click on send. So this way the PDF has been sent. This is the process which you need to follow carefully. Thank you.